Agriculture is the back to 70% of total population is dependent on agriculture for their livelihood. India is mainly agricultural country. Agriculture is a primary activity. Mainly rural women are engaged in agricultural activities. Children, observe the picture here. Most of the women engaged in agriculture field. What is farming? Types of farming. Agriculture is an age-old economic activity in our country. Over the years, cultivation methods have changed significantly, depending upon the characteristics of physical environment, technological know-how, and socio-cultural practices. At present, the following systems are practiced in different parts of India. It is practiced in areas with high population density and land. It is labor-intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Here, observe the picture here using high doses of biochemical inputs. And here irrigation system are see the irrigation system means water supply in the fields. Commercial farming. This type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs, for example, high yield variety, seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. High yielding variety means hybrid seeds. Rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in our Telangana and AP, it is a subsistence crop. This is the commercial farming. Yeah, using moderate inputs to harvesting this field. plantation. Natural resources such as soil, water, and sunshine for cultivation. Temperature and humidity conditions are important. Therefore, in any region, different crops are grown in different seasons. India has three cropping seasons. First one is Rabi, second one is Kharif, and third one is Jaid. Here, Rabi cropping season, winter, this is winter crop, sowing October to December months. Harvest is April to June. For example, Rabi crop seasons, for example, wheat, barley, peas, grams. Gram means here red gram, black gram, green gram, masoor gram, these are the, and mustard. Rabi crop is a winter crop. Kharif. This is monsoon crop. So in months June to July. Harvest time September to October. Crops. Paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, grams, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soya bean. This is monsoon crop, Kharif season. Zaid, summer crop. Rabi and Kharif in between season is summer crop, that is Zaid season. Sowing time is February to March. Harvest time is April to May. Crops, example, cucumber, watermelon, muskmelon, vegetables, and fodder crops. India has three cropping seasons, that is Rabi, Kharif, Zaid. Rabi is winter crop, Kharif is monsoon crop, Zaid is summer crop. Major crops. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country, depending upon the variations in soil, climate, and cultivation practices. Major crops grown in India are paddy, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, sugarcane, coffee, oilseeds, cotton, and jute, etc. First one is paddy. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of paddy in the world after China. Our country is the second largest producer of paddy in the world after China. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature, above 25 degrees Celsius, and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. In areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. Paddy is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas, and the deltoid regions. Development of dense networks of canal irrigation and tube wells has made it possible to grow rice even in areas with less rainfall, such as Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of paddy in the world after China. First one is China, after our country, India. Paddy. Look at the picture. This is the second most important cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. This Rabi crop requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall, evenly distributed over the growing season. there are two important growing zones in the country, the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and parts of Madhya Pradesh. In our country, South India is using most rice food, and in north side of states are using wheat. This is wheat. India, top 10 wheat producing states. In India, first one, Uttar Pradesh. Second one, Madhya Pradesh, wheat producing states. First one is Uttar Pradesh, second one is Madhya Pradesh, third one is Punjab, fourth one is Haryana, and fifth one is Rajasthan, sixth one is Bihar, seventh one is Gujarat, eighth one is West Bengal, ninth one is Uttarakhand, and 10th, last one, Maharashtra. Wheat producing states: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Maharashtra. Maize. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in cold alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is the grown in Rabi season also. Use of modern inputs such as HYV. HYV means high yielding variety seeds. Fertilizers and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Maize means corn. Maize producing states: Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Tamil Nadu. After that, Gujarat, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir. These are the maize producing states. First three states: Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. After that, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. After that, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Gujarat. Millets: Jowar, Bajra, and Ragi are the important millets grown in India. So these are known as coarse grains. They have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients, and roughage. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop, mostly grown in the moist or as which hardly needs irrigation. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Ragi is a crop of dry regions and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy, and shallow black soils. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu. Millets, jowar, bajra, and ragi are the imported millets grown in India. Children, you all are know ragi malt. This is our society important nutrient food. In this ragi, very rich in iron, calcium, and other micronutrients also. Millets. Here are some popular millets in India. Ragi, first one is ragi, bajra, samvatke chawal, sama means here chama, putki, kodra, and chula, jowar, kangani. These are the popular millets in India. Famous producing state is millets. Famous producing state is Rajasthan. First one is Rajasthan. Second one is Maharashtra. And third place is Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, and Karnataka. First one is Rajasthan. And second place is Maharashtra. After that, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Karnataka. Pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the main source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are red gram, black gram, green gram, masoor, peas, and Bengal gram. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Being leguminous crops. All these crops, except arhar, help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with other crops, means other crops. When we cultivate rice, in edges we can grow these pulses also, means gram, red gram or black gram or green gram. These are the major pulses producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Here, some pulses, important pulses. Moong dal, yellow moong dal, yellow chana dal. Chana means moong dal means pesarapappu, chana means shanagapappu. Masoor means Mysore pappu. Here, half moong dal khichdi means green gram. Urad, minapappu. Urad dal, urad akha dal. Urad dal, red beans. Red beans means here rajma. Kabuli chana, green moong dal, and tur dal, soya beans, moot beans. These are the some important pulses in our country, growing in our country. Pulses producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. These are the first place producing states. Second one, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Only 2 states are producing second place. After that, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam. First place, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. High yielding varieties. High yielding varieties of seeds and fertilizers are the key elements of new agriculture technologies. The high yielding varieties seeds grow well when fertilizers and water are used. They have larger amounts of grain and shorter stalks and a short period maturity in the short period maturity also enables double cropping. Farmers can use their lands more than once in a year. This policy was initially implemented in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, and in some districts of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The HYV, high yielding variety seeds, require a lot of water, and these areas are already irrigated. The new variety of wheat is grown in Punjab, Haryana, and Western Uttar Pradesh, while rice is grown in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. High yielding variety means nothing but here hybrid seeds. Look at the picture here. Green Revolution. What is Green Revolution? Green Revolution refers to the increase in the production of the food grains. Green Revolution refers to the increase in the production of the food grains. Increase the production of food crop. Increase the production of crop. As a result of the use of high yielding variety of seeds and increased use of fertilizers and irrigation. In the year 1965-66, the agricultural production dropped drastically in India due to severe drought. In order to resolve this problem, the Indian government in 1966 initiated the usage of high-yielding variety of wheat seeds in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, and eastern part of Uttar Pradesh. An agricultural scientist, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, played a significant role in implementing the improved technology in Indian agriculture. An agricultural scientist, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, played a significant role in implementing the improved technology in Indian agriculture. Therefore, he is called the pioneer of Green Revolution. Who is known as father of Green Revolution? Who is known as father of Green Revolution? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Which country is the second largest producer of rice? Which country is the second largest producer of rice? India. First one is, and second largest producer of rice is India. Staple food of majority of the people in India is main food in India is, what is that? Staple food of majority of the people in India is rice. Answer is rice. Who is known as father of Green Revolution? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Which country is the second largest producer of rice? India. Staple food of majority of the people in India is rice. Thank you all. Children, we will continue tomorrow.